Announce the winners!
This is so exciting.
Hoy, magsalita kayong tatlo dyan. Natutuyuan na ako ng laway dito. Ang hirap yata, no? Ready na kayo? Alright, ready na po kayo! Dito na po si Mr. Alvin Bravo to announce the winners!
Alright, this is the most awaiting part of our contest, okay? So, by the way, congratulations all guys, because you are all winners, okay? But of course, we have our top 3, alright? So, to go on, our second runner-up, okay, second runner-up goes to Beyond the Divas! Congratulations!
Congratulations, Leon.
Alright, thank you very much, Dion. Congratulations, Dion, the Divas.
Congratulations, Leon.
Alright, now our first runner-up. First runner-up goes to Jimmy Buena.
Yes, congratulations, Jimmy. Congratulations, Jimmy.
Alright, before we announce the winner, the grand winner of this competition, I would like to thank all the sponsors, all the judges, all the people who came over here. Maraming salamat